What's going on, folks? Austin here with another video. Pardon me for just being in a share, but I need some help, and I know it's going to be pretty limited. But I'm posting this video to see if anyone knows or has run into this issue. So I am editing or trying to edit a video for one of my classes, and I'm using CyberLink Power Director, and I'm able to bring in the footage, to the media room, where you put everything, all your videos and such. But when I put it onto the track to try to get in there to edit, I'm running into this problem. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's, I'm shooting. Oh, I shot an AVI. I believe that's what it is, and it was 1080p. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's just it being 1080. So that random 5 second clip of my guitars that I just uploaded, I put that into Power Director and I put on a track. I'm only shooting this in 720, and I'm thinking, okay, well, maybe it's 720. And then here's what I'm getting is that, like, I'm able to open up that and I'm able to see it, normally, but click on this and that's what I get. I don't know if it's a quick fix or not, but clip movie, and it's the same thing. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know anything about it. I've never had this problem before, but yeah, I don't know what the deal is. I've never had this problem before, which is super weird. I have Movie Maker, but I'm not editing on Movie Maker's. No, Movie Maker is stupid, but yeah. If you guys know if anyone knows what the problem is or what I'm doing wrong, please let me know. It's something that it's because I could go back to the college tomorrow and edit there, because I know that they have software on there that I'll be able to use. To edit, because they have Adobe Premiere, and I know Premiere very well. For other classes, the video classes I've taken before at Firelens, I've used Premiere. And it's super easy to figure out too. I've used Premiere for a lot of stuff. That video AJ Punk Vignette 3.5, that was edited on CyberLink Power Director, and I didn't have any problems then. This is new. I'm not sure if it's like a graphic driver that's out of date. Usually my computer would say something. I don't think that's the case. But yeah, it's super weird. Like that AJ Punk Vignette, it was 720. It's high def. So, yeah, and I'm bringing it up. It's then I was thinking, okay, well, maybe it was just not recognizing the video. Then I brought in like another video that I had saved on my laptop. I brought it in and CyberLink, and I got the same green picture. really not sure what's going on. If somebody could help me out here, it would be greatly appreciated. Again, I'm sorry for being in this. Um, yeah, I tried looking it up online. I didn't really find anything. There's just a forum that was really about useful. It was like, and yeah, I'm really not sure what's going on. But yeah, if you're able to help me, please do. So anyway, that's going to be for now. And thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for helping if you're able to. And talk to you guys later. See ya.